What do you think of Goodman versus Frigidaire furnaces?
Frigidaire makes a decent refrigerator, though they sometimes leak. They make fair window air conditioners, though they are often noisy and have trouble cooling an entire room.
I was asking about Frigidaire furnaces.
If a company essentially called Cold Air has trouble making good appliances built to cool the air, how much faith do you put in their furnaces?
How efficient are they?
Frigidaire furnaces are fairly efficient, though not as good as Trane's furnaces. For Goodman, I'd wonder if their furnaces are so efficient because they just are not running much of the time.
Goodman prides itself on its quiet furnaces.
And I'm back to my prior concern.
Multi-speed furnaces are fairly quiet, and Goodman makes several of those.
Two-stage furnaces are more efficient than single-stage, and both companies make those. And unlike Goodman, Frigidaire's furnaces get more positive reviews than negative ones.
You already expressed doubts about Frigidaire's quality.
True, but it is almost impossible to beat Goodman's quality.
So Goodman is good.
No. They are so bad it is hard to do worse. Though I do think Comfort Maker achieves that.
What gives you pause about Frigidaire furnaces?
There are reports the temperature sensor or motherboard fails, and the unit just won't shut off.
I guess it is better than nothing.
It is better than Goodman's problems with the heat exchangers, blowers, motors, temperature sensors and control boards going out.
Goodman supposedly has a lifetime warranty on their heat exchangers.
What species are they basing this lifetime on? A mayfly?
Wow. I'm going to get a furnace with the same brand as my air conditioner and fridge.
Actually, I won't recommend keeping the Frigidaire fridge. Some of their fridges have bulbs that get so hot the plastic shell melts and warps and the fridge may even catch fire.
Maybe they are a good heater company and just should not be making fridges.
Or you could put the fridge in the basement to heat up the house.